Ever felt the thrill of standing on the edge of a high dive, knowing the plunge will be exhilarating? That's solo travel for you, exciting yet daunting. Imagine stepping into Kyoto, Japan, where ancient temples whisper stories of peace and history, and gardens embrace you with their calming beauty. Barcelona, Spain, is like a vibrant painting come to life, bursting with colors, art, and energy, perfect for solo adventurers ready to soak in the culture. Reykjavik, Iceland, is your gateway to nature's masterpiece, geysers, waterfalls, and the soothing blue lagoon, all in a stress-free, friendly environment. Lisbon, Portugal, is a charming postcard come to life, with scenic views, historic neighborhoods, and pastries that are little bites of heaven. Queenstown, New Zealand, is the adventure capital of the world, offering everything from bungee jumping to skiing, with a friendly backpacker community. Dublin, Ireland, is like a cozy pub with a story to tell, rich in history, music, and friendly faces, perfect for wandering and wondering. Vancouver, Canada, blends nature and city life beautifully, offering lush trails by day and diverse neighborhoods by night, in a safe, multicultural haven. Plan ahead but leave room for spontaneous moments. Stay connected with your tribe back home using apps and social media for a safety net. Embrace the new, the different, and the unexpected. Solo travel is a new chapter in your life, filled with culture, personal growth, and unforgettable memories.